In this video, I will show you how to adjust the quality on Netflix. So you can follow along on your phone or on your desktop. It doesn't matter, it works on both. Now, if you are using your phone, then one thing that you will need to change is that you switch over to the Netflix website, because you cannot do it from within the app. So to do this, just go to netflix.com in your browser and go to sign into your account. Now, after doing that, click on the three lines in the top left, and you can also do this on desktop. Then here, click on account. Then after doing that, scroll down a bit until you see manage profiles. So click manage profiles right here. Then under profile settings, select whichever profile you want to change it for. So I'll just select mine. And then right here, when you scroll down a bit under preferences, you will see playback settings. So click playback settings. Now here you can see the data usage per screen. So it's set to auto right now, but you can also set it to low, medium or high. So high is the best video and audio quality, and low is the worst video and audio quality. Now you will see if you do use high, it will be up to 3 GB per hour for HD and 7 GB per hour for Ultra HD. So just select whichever one you want and then just click on save in the bottom, and then you will have adjusted the quality on your Netflix account. So now you know how to adjust the quality on Netflix. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.